office in Milwaukee Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Walworth County in southeastern Wisconsin, Rock County in south-central Wisconsin, southeastern Dane County in south-central Wisconsin, southern Jefferson County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 8:30 p.m. At 7:17 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Stoughton, moving southeast at 20 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Janesville, Whitewater, Stoughton, Fort Atkinson, Oregon, Jefferson, Milton, Edgerton, Evansville, Deerfield, Palmyra, Cambridge, Lake Ripley, Lake Koshkonong, Richmond, Fulton, Long Range, Albion, Hebron, and Utica. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.